Does anybody got a can of Raid? I think I need a can of Raid. You wanna know why? Look at that! What? Oh my! That's a beehive out here on Battle Road. See the bees going in and out? Oops, one just buzzed me. Yeah, I'm getting away. Okay. So, yeah, just going on my own little way here. Oh my god. I've never actually seen a beehive. Mark that as a first. Jeez, this could have given new meaning to the Battle Road. I mean, maybe. I mean, the whole history of the country and the direction of the country could have been changed if during the battle somebody had accidentally hit the beehive. Not that it was there then, but you know what I'm saying. Wow. Never seen such a thing in my life. Just out in the wild, a beehive.